Kavita, a dynamic 25-year-old sports coach, had always believed in the power of sports to foster camaraderie and build character among young students. Determined to create a platform where students from various schools could showcase their athletic skills, she decided to organize an inter-school sports competition. Kavita's journey began with meticulous planning. She spent countless hours outlining the events, from track and field to team sports, ensuring a diverse range of activities to engage all participants. Her attention to detail extended to coordinating with multiple schools, securing their participation, and addressing their unique requirements. Kavita also took on the challenge of arranging the necessary equipment and officials, understanding that the success of the event hinged on these elements. Her enthusiasm was infectious, drawing in volunteers and sponsors who were inspired by her vision. On the day of the competition, the atmosphere was electric. Students competed with passion and sportsmanship, embodying the very spirit Kavita aimed to promote. The event was a resounding success, not just in terms of participation but also in fostering a sense of community and healthy competition among the students. Kavita's efforts did not go unnoticed. She received widespread appreciation for her dedication and organizational prowess. Her success story became an inspiration, proving that with passion and meticulous planning, one can create opportunities that leave a lasting impact on the community.